The world is growing faster than ever before. Villages are turning into cities, and cities are expanding exponentially, leading to an extensive generation of waste and pollution. That's where we come in. We are Tps Infrastructure Ltd. At TPS, we pride ourselves on being the top manufacturers and exporters of specialized high-technology engineering equipments. TPS equipments are used for making surroundings in cities, cement plants, smelters cleaner and livable. Tps Infrastructure Ltd was founded in 1985 and has just been growing ever since. In the last 33 years of manufacturing engineering equipment, we have developed and diversified our range of products. This wide range consists of pollution control equipment, management and handling of municipal solid and liquid waste, housekeeping in infrastructure industries, special purpose mobile equipment, bulk transportation equipment, road sweeping machines. Our products are recognized internationally as they are technologically advanced as per international standards, environmental friendly, eco-friendly, built with precise designs, excellent performance, durability, power and fuel efficiency. TPS has consisted wide range of products for every application. Mobile waste collection vehicles. This equipment is used for door-to-door collection of garbage, transportation and dumping into refuse compactor tailgate. Truck-mounted refuse compactor vehicle, designed for lifting and unloading the garbage from garbage bins, containers, compaction transportation to dumping ground. Portable refuse compactors. The portable compactors are designed for installation at street corners to receive solid waste from handcarts and compact the same hydraulically into the container body. Solid waste transfer station. The equipment is used for reviving of loose garbage for primary collection vehicles and dumping into the dumping ground with the help of roll-on, roll-off container and hook loaders. Truck-mounted hook loader. The hook lifters are designed to lift loaded or empty skip containers from the ground and transporting them to dumping yard for the discharge of the dumping material. Truck-mounted skip loader with garbage container. Lifting mechanism designed for lifting, transportation, tipping, lowering of garbage bins of 3 to 8 cubic meters capacities. Garbage bins. The container is designed to be lightweight and with the facility to be easily handled by 2 bin handlers. This meets the DIN standards and are compatible with the RCV bin handlers. Cesspit emptier or gully pit emptier. The equipment is a truck-mounted mobile unit suitable for suctioning the sludge or slurry from sewer, manholes, gully pits, septic tanks, etc. by vacuum suction system and discharging the collected sludge of the tank, alternatively through blowback arrangement. Sewer line and cesspit cleaning machines. We are manufacturing truck or trailer mounted sewer or septic cleaning suction machines with blowback facility for cleaning sewer pipelines as well as septic tanks. Desilting machine with suction dump tanks. These equipment are used for desilting of trunk sewer lines, that is, removing the silt which have been settled in the sewer pipe to improve the flow and capacity of the sewer lines. High pressure jetting and suction cleaning vehicles with water recycling system. The equipment is used for flushing and desilting the sewer pipelines through the main holes or chambers of the sewer lines. Heavily silted sewer lines of various sizes can be cleaned with the help of high-pressure water jets produced by the jetting system, and the silt accumulated in the main holes shall be sucked simultaneously by the suction system. Truck-mounted road sweeping machine. These machines are capable of sweeping dusty municipal roads as well as industrial areas. The equipment is especially designed for operating in the tropical climatic conditions of Asia. Ride-on-type sweeping machines. These machines have a container volume of 400 liters and 800 liters. The machines are highly maneuverable as the complete drive, steering, etc. are hydrostatic. Self-propelled type diesel engine operated sweeping machine. These machines have a container volume of 5,000 liters. The offered equipment is one of the most versatile and efficient machine of its type available in the international market. Heavy-duty industrial vacuum cleaning and recovery systems. These equipment are essentially required for suction and recovery of spillages in various plants like cement, aluminium, copper, thermal power plants, steel plants, etc. Railway track cleaning car. The machine is used for mechanized clearance of litter, garbage lying on and alongside the rail track, besides jet cleaning of night soil and other contaminant lying on the railway line at various stations. Rail-cum-road vehicle. The machine is suitable for suctioning free-flowing powered and granular materials either directly into the machine container through a handheld suction hose connected to the machine or through the centralized pipeline systems. Anode transport vehicle. Used for aluminium smelter plants for lifting and transportation of 3 to 4 anodes of total weight approximately 7 to 10 tons. Furnace tending vehicle. This equipment is used for skimming of slag and dross from the liquid metal surface, chiseling and removing the slag and dross built up on the furnace lining and the furnace hearth and debricking it using special braking attachments. Furnace charging car. These cars are developed as per the requirement of the metallurgical plants. This equipment serves various industrial purposes as it has multifaceted features. Crushed bath tanker. The equipment is used for the transportation of alumina from the main alumina silo to the day silo, as well as transportation of the crushed bath from the crushed bath silo in bath recycle shop to the crushed bath silo. Aluminium fluoride charging vehicle. Aluminium fluoride feeding vehicle is used to transport AlF3 from the feeding hopper to the pot hopper and to feed the pot hopper according to the requirements. Dust suppression systems. These systems are being utilized wherever dust is being generated in material handling plants, where raw material is being crushed, screened, and is being transferred from one conveyor belt to another. Skylift or access platforms. The chassis-mounted access platform is a versatile lifting platform to provide safe access for workmen engaged in maintenance works on height. scissor lifts. Scissor lift platforms perform various lifting activities in factories and industries. Our scissor lifting platforms are enabled to carry variable loads due to their multifaceted and high-grade features. Road ambulance or petrol maintenance unit. The equipment is suitable for moving on metal roads to carry out road maintenance, pothole patching works and to be used as an initial emergency response unit. TPS has its after-sales service centers all over India and neighboring countries. This is something that we are almost proud of, since we work towards providing the highest standards of service available to our clients through highly trained domestic and international field representatives and customer service personnel. Our main aim is to develop customer relationships which will help us in offering tailored services catering to our clients' specific needs. We are enabled to cater to every clientele requirement as we design and develop our entire range of products with a dedicated R&D team which is up to date as per the recommended international standards. This enables us to cater to the domestic as well as international industry. Thus, quality assurance is key, and we base it on parameters like design, performance, power consumption, fuel consumption, service life. We are TPS Infrastructure Ltd, and we help make efficiency efficient.